Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO K13x and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this list we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then we have to scroll down again to localize more security and privacy, and scroll down to find installation sources. Let's tap. So right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download the app from Chrome, so from my browser. All we have to do is to find the specific app in the list and then tap on this switcher. Your device will ask you whether you really want to do it, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. You have to be aware about that. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. So if you're ready, just tap on allowed, and as you can see right now it is active, which means that now I can download the app from Chrome, not only from the Play Store. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions, so just tap on this switcher here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.